Family morning routine. Lana, wake up. Don't forget to do your bed. Mommy, are you making breakfast? What do we have today? We have salads, eggs, milk, and bread. Can I have some bacon also? Sure. Go to wash your face and brush your teeth first. Yeah, I see. Honey, help me to make a table. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna finish watering the garden. Did you do exercise today? Yeah, I did it. When did you get up? I got up at 5 a.m. today. Really? Why did you get up so early? Didn't you hear Plum bark so loud? No, not at all. Oh my, I can't sleep because of his voice. Then I woke up and walked him around. He may be hungry at that time. Not really. I fed him, but you see, he ate not much. Did you take a shower? Not yet. I'm going to take a bath now. Okay, quickly. Breakfast is almost done. Sure. Lana, quickly, I need to use the bathroom. Use the bathroom on the 3rd floor. I still need to wash my hair. I need to go to school early today. Come on. I'm not done. Use the other. Oh my, who is that? What's up, Tony? I'm taking a shower. I need to use the toilet, Daddy. I can't bear anymore. 2 minutes. Okay, quickly. I will go to get dressed and then come back in 2 minutes. Keep your words. Sure. Breakfast time. Do you need my help, Mommy? Are you sure? Yes, absolutely. I don't have classes today, so I have time. Okay, good girl. What do we have today, Mom? Today we have waffles, sausages, sliced bacon, and milk. Can I prepare waffles? I love waffles. Okay, it's not too difficult to make a waffle. What should we do first? We should prepare the ingredients. Eggs, flour, milk, oil, sugar, salt, baking powder, and a bit of vanilla. There are too many things. I prepared them all over here. You just need to mix them all. Okay, but what exactly should I do first? Like, start with these eggs or flour or anything? Beat eggs in a large bowl with a hand beater until fluffy. Okay, I will try to crack the egg. Oops, Mommy, help! Help! The shell has dropped into the bowl. Oh my, let me help. Now, can you help me to open the flour bag over there? Then beat in flour, milk, vegetable oil, sugar, baking powder, salt, and vanilla. Just until smooth. Okay, it sounds easier. Oops, this bag is too hard to open. Look at you. You should go to wash your face and your hands. I'm so sorry, Mom. I really want to help. But I think I'm just making trouble now. No, dear. I'm happy you are here with me. You should add 2 teaspoons of salt into that meat for me. Okay. No, the small spoon. Doing household chores. I need to go to the supermarket now, honey. What? We still have many food in our refrigerator. Because today, the supermarket has a sale program for loyal customers. I want to go there and buy something.
Okay, I will water the garden while waiting for you.
You should remind Lana and Tony to do the household chores as well.
Sure, no worries.
Before watering, I think you should sweep the falling leaves.
Yeah, I know, no worries. Lana, what are you doing?
I am painting.
You should do your bed now. Then vacuum the floors.
Yeah, 2 minutes. I want to complete this picture first.
Okay. Tony, Lana did laundry. You should hang them on. Okay, Dad. Clean your windows as well. They are a bit dirty. Sure. Lana, can you help me to wash the dishes?
No way, today is your turn.
I have to repair my bike. I need to use it this afternoon.
You have to do laundry for 1 week.
Come on, 3 days are fine.
No, 5 days. I will not negotiate anymore.
Okay, deal. Grocery shopping. Quickly, Daddy, we are going to be late. I am coming. Do you bring the list Mommy took note of? Yeah, I took a picture of it. Okay, let's go. We need to buy a lot of things. What are we going to buy first? Let's go to the produce section to buy fruit and vegetables. Which vegetables should we buy? Okay, let's see. We need potatoes, tomatoes, and some oranges. I would like to buy some watermelon. They look so fresh. Okay. Then we need to buy some milk. We are run out of milk. Where should we find milk? Dairy products section. I will go there to collect some. Okay. How would you like to pay? I will pay by credit card. Here you are. Thank you. Hey, Thomas. Nice to meet you here. Nice to meet you too. Long time no see you. Yeah, I was busy some days. I'm just back to New York last month. Are you going to return home now? Yeah, I am going home now. Do you want to go with us? Sure, thanks. Oh my God, I think we take Thomas's bag by mistake. Really? Oh, we need to give it back to him. Let me go to his home. Oh, Thomas. Hello again. I think I keep your bag by mistake. Yeah, we just realized it. Here is your bag. What's for dinner? I'm home.
Hi, Mommy.
Did you cook dinner, Tony? I would do, but Mommy looks. The refrigerator is empty.
Really? Yeah, Tony is right. We were going to prepare pasta and pot roast. Then we realized that we have nothing.
It's late now. We are not able to go to market, then cook dinner.
Yeah, should we order food online?
Okay, What food do you want for dinner?
I would like to have a pizza. It's a long time since we don't eat pizza.
No, that sucks. So, what do you prefer, Tony? Suddenly, I would like to try Korean food. I have a Korean friend, and his lunchbox looks amazing.
That's a great idea. But I don't like Korean food, Mommy.
Should we go to eat out?
I know a new restaurant. What dishes do they serve? Noodle, hamburger, fried chicken, tacos, and some other fast food?
I also know a beefsteak restaurant. I'm not really want to go out now.
Should we go to Grandma's house? I remember she invited us home to eat seafood.
I don't think it's a great idea. We should tell her in advance to prepare.
Okay, I will make a decision. We will order fast food. Choose what you want, and then I will book delivery.
Great.
Yes, Mom.